Hi, this video will show you how to repair a dataset in which some of the images have become corrupted. I have here such an example that has been provided to me, where for some reason several images got randomly corrupted. For the sake of this video, I have kept only the two first scans of the dataset. So if I try to play the dataset as a movie by pushing the movie button at the bottom of the CrysAlisᴾère interface, you see that CrysAlisᴾère goes through the first 200 images just fine, but then stops at image 201 of the first run, and it displays this error message that says that it encountered a problem when reading the header of that image. So I can certainly acknowledge the error image, but then CrysAlisᴾère encounters another bad image, and another, and another. So throughout these two scans, there were 4 images that for some reason became bad. In the same vein, if I try to process a dataset, CrysAlisᴾère will go just fine through the first 200 images and then stop at image 201. At the top right corner of the CrysAlisᴾère interface, there's a red light that is flashing. If I click on it, I can open the command shell, which itself displays a view of the data reduction log file. And that log file shows the same error message as previously, meaning that CrysAlisᴾère encountered a problem when reading the header of image file number 201 of the first scan. So we do see that obviously rarely, but once in a while, and most of the time, this is when a dataset was being copied from one computer to another or downloaded from a portal or a server. Not to worry though, it's quick and easy to repair such a dataset in CrysAlisᴾère. For that, expand the data reduction tab and look at the top right corner of that tab. There's a blue link here that shows the name of the experiment. On the left-hand side of it, there's another blue link that says frames runs that is currently disabled. To enable it, go back to the first link, the one that shows the name of the experiment, and click on it. Then the frames runs link or option becomes available. Click on it and select repair dataset. And that should be all you need to do to repair a dataset that contains a few corrupted images. And you'll see that as soon as I select this option, CrysAlisᴾère will go through all the images and repair only those that need to be repaired. So here we go. It's done. CrysAlisᴾère went through all the images of these 2 scans that I had kept, and now I should be able to handle those images as usual. So let me first play them as a movie, once again by pushing the movie button at the bottom of the CrysAlisᴾère interface. And you see that CrysAlisᴾère went through all the images just fine without stopping at any one of them. In the same vein, I can now reduce the dataset by going to data reduction and selecting automatic data reduction with current cell. And once again, CrysAlisᴾère can go through the entirety of the 2 scans without stopping. And you can see on the right-hand side here the scaling statistics that stem from these 2 scans. And that's it. This is how you repair a dataset in CrysAlisᴾère which contains some images that may have gotten randomly corrupted.